Your mind shackles are not real. They make you believe it with their lies. Lies. Open your eyes. No shackles, it's all in your mind. Mind shackles in your prison of lies. Lies. Don't be a prisoner of the mind. The mind. Whoa, come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is reality real, or have we been pulled into believing something that's not? Does anyone care about anything anymore? Is everyone pretending, or you think they forgot? Sometimes I wish I knew more. Sometimes I wish that we were told the truth. I wish that we were allowed to form original thoughts. Shackles of the mind, shackles of the mind. In the prison of lies, in the prison of lies. Are we living in the way it was meant to be? Is this what it means to really be free? That's what they say, but you can't lie to me. I'm hiding with the sheep, so they think I'm asleep. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, come on, Whoa, 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 whoa. Shackles of their mind, shackles of the mind. In the prison of lies, in the prison of life. If you want to escape, you got to be wise. Think with your mind and open your eyes. Don't pay attention and you'll meet your demise. Follow the truth and you will find your way out. Then you can look back and say that you never have a doubt. Reality might be a prison, the prison of lies, but there is a way out if you open your eyes. Your mind shackles are not real. They make you believe it with their lies. Lies. Open your eyes. No shackles, it's all in your mind. Mind. Whoa, come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mind shackles in your prison of lies. Don't be a prisoner of the mind version of that prison of life. Take off the shackles of the mind. Don't waste your life, don't waste your time being a prisoner and collecting all the green paper that you can find. Don't fall for the lies. I always seek the truth, but the truth is always different for me and you. Keep true to yourself and keep true to your mind. Keep it free, you can't see the truth if you are blind. If you are blind, the mind is blind. You use your mind to create reality. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Remember this and use it to create.